Welcome again, guys. Today I will be listing countries where getting citizenship and passport is very easy. Dominica is a dream destination, and with their citizenship by investment program, it's more attainable than you think. St. Kitts and Nevis has a long history of welcoming global citizens, and their program is top-notch. Antigua and Barbuda is incredibly family-friendly, making it ideal for those looking to relocate with loved ones. Grenada's passport is your key to visa-free travel to over 140 countries, including China. St. Lucia boasts a streamlined application process, so you can fast-track your way to paradise. Malta offers a unique opportunity to become a citizen of the EU, opening doors to countless opportunities. Invest in stunning real estate in Cyprus and fast-track your citizenship application. Portugal's Golden Visa program is your pathway to residency and eventually citizenship. Spain offers various paths to residency, paving the way for EU citizenship down the line. Invest in affordable real estate in Greece and enjoy the benefits of residency. Turkey offers a streamlined process and a strategic location, making it a compelling option. Vanuatu's citizenship by investment program is your ticket to visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to over 130 countries. Montenegro, a future EU member with incredible potential. Get ahead of the game and invest in Montenegro, a country on its way to joining the EU. Bulgaria, your path to EU citizenship through investment. Bulgaria offers a unique opportunity to gain EU citizenship through investment in government bonds. Austria, a prestigious passport with high standards. Austria offers a highly sought-after passport, but it comes with a significant investment requirement. And there you have it. These countries that are making it easier than ever to become a global citizen. Each country has its own specific requirements, processes and timelines, so make sure you thoroughly research and understand what it takes to qualify for citizenship. If you're serious about taking the leap, I highly recommend consulting with an immigration lawyer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like, share and subscribe.